Hello, it's Angeline here. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your background stems besides using it for your background. Does that make sense? So I've already stamped and colored this cute set called Adventure to the Bright Side, and I've already colored the ground and also the wall. And I'm using the Brutus Monroe background stems here called Hit the Brick and Vintage Burlap. And I'm using the Prima inks here. I'm sorry it is not in focus, but you can use any inks that you have, okay? So first I want to do the wall, so I'm just inking up this Hit the Brick background stamp, just a portion of it because I don't need the whole stamp. And I'm just inking that up, lining it up to my wall and just pressing it down carefully, and ta-da! Here is how I have added some texture to my card without drawing anything in. So that's what these stamps are awesome for as well. Here I'm using the vintage burlap to add to my ground, and that's it. As simple as that is, just add some sequins and some twine and my card is ready. So I hope you enjoy this technique and thanks for watching. Bye!